ungumrado wentombazana usi-street kids entombazana ukukhulela eshibhini ala nje ndiyeke ndiyagoduka angixothwa ngekhaya.
Anya, what happened at work? You back early today?
Do you know that my wife can't fall pregnant, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you please be our surrogate?
You know, but I still don't understand why you are doing all of this. Why can't lo mfazi wakho ungamdivorce once uphume kuyo? Khaya lo mfazi alright. Ozokuzalela abantwana.
Yes, sisi benga-expectanga ukuthi uzoyisisa. Ngoba vela was mixed nothando wena.
Love. So you're doing all of this because of love, huh? You are allowing a stranger to carry your child. Ngenxa yothando.
Inkinga ekuphi lapha? Ngoba ngiyasho manje ukuthi inkosikazi yami ayinayo inkinga ngayo yonke le ndaba esiyenzile.
Not this again. My wife this, my wife that. Utheni udlisiwe namntazi? Oko. What do you want? Why you want intoni yenze umfazi wakho wena ufuna ntoni? What do you want? It's open.
Where is my daughter? Who do you think you are, you pig? I'm going to kill you.
Listen here. Listen.
Mom, stop him. Leave him.
This is a disrespectful man who has no respect for anyone's feelings.
Ma'am, please calm down. Come, let's have a seat and talk as adults.
No talking, no calming down. All I would like to do is take my daughter and we go. You're very lucky, Anya, come let's go, that I don't now put a kidnapping case against you.
Stop it. I'm not leaving with you. I told you I want to do this for Mr. M. Or is it because he's a black man? Is that why you don't want me to help him?
Listen, Anya, not putting words in my mouth.
Yes, Mom, you heard me. Now please leave. You're embarrassing yourself. Mr. M, you don't have to say anything.
Anya, this man is disrespectful. You do not need to be here.
Mom, please leave. I am doing this for Mr. M, and that's final.
Anya, if I walk out this door, there is no turning back, and you will be dead to me.
Aya, did you hear what your mom was just said?
Mr. M, do you still want me to be your surrogate or what?
Hey, yazi manisamakaza yethu iqobo nicela yona. Hayi. Inoba kunzima kubuhlungu mntanami bakuwe. Yo, kodwa akayisanceda loo nto. Ufuna kuphindele ba emzini wakho.
Oh, mama. Yazi into engayi-understand yobana why emthathe azomhlalisa nathi yethu akakubokho pregnant. The worst part akakhanga ngixelele nongixelele.
Kaloku mntana womtshato omfuni ayakululanga. You just need to be patient.
Patient, mama.
Mamela sana wam. Umyeni wakho uyakuthanda. Ube bengakuthandi yakuthola wathatha umfazi azomzalela alibale njengawo. Thanda kaloku yiloo nto ke ingenzeki loo nto le ufuna wena. Akayenzi loo nto ngoba ukuthanda wena.
Mama, akusokuba uyandithanda mama. So that udinga ube sesibhanqana sakhe.
Uyakuthanda bucele mameli and akakwazi ukuphila ngaphandle kwakho. Wena ufuna ukubuyele kuye ungabuhleki manje usiza apha. Ayizinceda lo.
Why mama no, not namhlanje ngicela into ndilala nawe.
Over my dead body. Yabona ke le angisoze ke mntana ndiyivumeli uba mawuba baphi-chance babhonde. Angikazana le.
Mama khona ehluka nje kule nto aba bantu basebenza kunye babuye babe kunye endlini ibond seyikhulile already.
So mntana into engazuyenza ube ndidictator nawe. Ziqoqe mntana ngoku ndiyakurhuqa bafuneke ndirhuqile. Uya kumkhwenyana because uyakudinga. Uyakudinga leli xesha kudinga ngalo le. Uvalele ikhethi masaphaka.
Mama ndiyacela dofunda
Phaka mama. Josh uma ngabe ngivala ifestile ngibulungisa ke wena ke uzilungisa uzishape ube mhle for indoda yakho le ikudingayo. Masana.
Miss Dane, I want to apologize about my mother's behavior yesterday. I'm really sorry. I really do mean it, Miss Dane. I'm sorry. Ouch.
Aya. What's wrong?
Yes, sir, I'm fine.
What's wrong?
My neck is hurting, sir.
So yinto eniyenzayo kulo msebenzi.
Ukhuluma ngani manje?
Sikhuluma ngale nto qobe ibona ngoku.
It's
Hey!
not.
I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to my husband. This is a workplace. You are not here to play la vida here.
Sumi.
Ayuke
lo msangano wenzako Sumikazi. Yini inkinga yakho manje? Aya. Please give us a space. I need to talk to my wife. Sumi. Yini inkinga yakho wena? Waphathisela ingane okwe-rubbish.
Okwe-rubbish. Le ntombazane ifuna ixoshe lapha emsebenzini asafini nje ngiphinde ngibona.
Ngicoshele ngane emsebenzini. Wazi kahle ukuthi le ngane leyizela empilweni yethu izonceda thina. Izothwala ingane yethu ngoba uyahluleka ukuba pregnant. Uphumela izisu. Manje xosha le ngane uzokhona ukuba pregnant wena.